Hey, in this YouTube video I'm going to show you how to grab text with, I'm going to control the mouse and the keyboard with, I'm just going to run my program with Excel. So I'm just going to press play. And my user form pops up over here, which lets me select unlimited amounts of actions that I filled out. And I'll walk through how to do this on my website, and you can download the workbook. So for the first action, I'm going to do a left click. And it says press yes when you're ready to do a left click, so I'm going to press yes, and I'm going to select here. It fills out the XY coordinates in F1 and G1, and I'm going to want to do another action, so I'm going to press yes. And now I'm just going to do a mouse move after left click, so I'm going to press yes for my first click, it's going to be over here. I'm going to press yes for my second click, it's over here. And then I'm going to select my third click where I want that text in between those two clicks to paste. So I'm going to press yes, and I want to paste it into this notepad. It's going to ask me if I want to do another action. I'm going to press yes. So for my third action, I'm going to do another one of those. So you just like select an area. So I'm going to do in between a smaller area, this one and this one. I'm going to press yes, I'm going to paste it into this notepad. It's going to ask me if I want to do another action, so I'm going to say yes. And for this one, I'm going to do another copy and paste. Yes. Do that, and then that. Yes, over here, third notepad. And now I'm going to do another action. And for this one, I'm going to do a left click. And I'm going to left click on this PDF, and I'm going to press yes, do another action, this will be my last one. I'll press enter, and I'm going to say no. So now it's just going to repeat, it just recorded my screen and it's going to repeat everything that I just did, so I'm going to press no now. So now it's just repeating everything that I just did, and it selects that line there, and then it pastes it into the first notepad, and then it selects the other line that I selected, and it pastes it into that notepad, and then it pastes, it selects the other text, and it pastes it into that notepad, and then it selects the PDF, and it opens the PDF. So thanks for watching my video. You can download the workbook on my website.